Good afternoon, members of the committee. Most of you all know me. My name is David Smith, Director of Governmental Affairs for Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield. Thank you for the opportunity to testify for informational purposes only. We have looked at this from an industry perspective and really thank the work of the interim committee that was put together at the direction of the legislature last year to give us kind of a cost-benefit analysis associated with what this might impact, how this might impact the fully insured market, which is 57 cents per member per month, just for clarification, which generates roughly, if you looked at over the entire fully insured policy in the state of Missouri, roughly around $12 million impact. And so the reason why we wanted to testify for informational purposes only is, as both the sponsors of this legislation can attest to, as well as is that we've come to them and said that we understand the need for this bill in this legislative year. What we do ask is for opportunities to work on language that potentially minimizes that impact. The reason why I say that is many of our members have faced in the last 3 months canceled policies, increased benefits and pricing associated with the Federal Health Care Act, and then also the frustration with the signing up process through the portal. So any fluctuation or impact to that rate is sensitive at this point, and we've come up with several alternatives to try to provide more affordable access to the advocates around the oral oncologic. And again, I think it was artfully put before in the previous testimony today. Our insurance company doesn't set the price of a pharmaceutical drug. That is not something that we do. We just react to that, and they are very expensive. And so if you look at states like Kansas that have passed a no less favorable language, or if you look at states like recently California that set a cap on the out-of-pocket expense for those individuals purchasing those drugs, which creates what they know a budgeted amount to have access. Those are all things that we're open and willing to have that discussion on. That all.
Very good. Thank you, David. Any questions for? Seeing none, thank you for your testimony. That will conclude the hearing on Senate Bill 663 and 668. Next up, Senate Bill 670.